Welcome to the in-office training of Eatance. Today we'll learn how to add a menu category via the admin panel. So let's begin. Sign in using the master admin credentials. Once signed in, you arrive at the home page with the dashboard in the center and the navigation panel to the left. Go to the navigation panel and from the menu listings, go to Restaurant. Click on Restaurant and from the drop-down selection, click on Menu Category. This will bring up the category management page. As you can see, a list of categories already added. To add a new category, click on the Add button. Here enter the name of the new category. Upload an image for this new category. Click on Upload Image and select the image where you have stored it. Do note to keep it in this format. Go ahead and click Submit to create this new category. As you can see, this new category has been added and it's top of the list.